Hi everyone! For today's video, we're gonna try to use our MariBank debit card at the MRT train station for the first time. So samahan niyo ako ngayon na subukan gamitin ang MariBank or debit card natin instead of our usual na beep card. So, we're here at the Taft station and ang gagawin natin ay point to North Avenue. Punta lang kayo sa GCash lane or yung debit card lane ng MRT. And then, itap nyo lang yung MariBank card nyo or any debit card. And then, lalabas yung unang deduction of a fee, which is 14 pesos. And once na makasakay na kayo ng train, mamaminus siya ulit sa next na tap out nyo or deduction. And yung unang deduction ay maka-cancel. So, technically, 14 pesos lang yung binayaran ko from Taft Avenue Station to MRT North Avenue Station. So, by the way, end-to-end nga yung trip na ginawa natin. Taft Avenue is one end of the MRT and ang pinakadulo sa kabila was the North Avenue Station. And 14 pesos lang yung binayaran natin.